Hello there. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people encounter when configuring iTerm. The issue at hand revolves around setting up your shell to launch as a login shell. Failing to do so can result in your shell missing out on crucial configuration settings specific to a login shell. This can lead to path components and other important startup configurations not being properly read. So, let's tackle this problem head-on with a solution that will have you up and running in no time. In finding a solution to this dilemma, it's imperative to configure iTerm to launch your shell as a login shell. By ensuring that your shell starts as a login shell, you enable it to access all the necessary login shell related configurations. Remember, the command option in iTerm simply initiates the specified program. It doesn't automatically set your shell as a login shell. You have two options here. Stick with your default shell, or opt for a custom shell that invokes it as a login shell. Either way, you'll be on the right track to resolving this issue effectively. As we wrap up, remember that configuring your shell to launch as a login shell is key to ensuring that all relevant configurations are properly loaded. By following the steps outlined earlier, you'll be able to overcome this common hurdle and optimize your iTerm setup. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. It might just be the missing piece to someone else's shell puzzle.